beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Saji Lotus here with another video. Today we're going to be making an emergency pouch for that time of the month. We all know how embarrassing that can be, so we're going to be making it today from a Cheetos snack pack. So let's get right into it. So yes, this is all the things we'll be needing for this project. 2 zip, a 12-inch ruler, a piece of chalk and a scissors, and some pellon or interfacing, some fabric, and our Cheetos pack, of course. I clean it ahead of time, so that's what it looked like. And there are some tissue paper or toilet paper, whichever one you have. I use toilet paper, and some PVC plastic. So you need 2 pieces of everything, except for the packet we just need 1 piece of fabric for the packet piece. That's my Cheetos for later. So the measurement is just whatever measurement your pack is. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting out everything, cutting out the packet piece. So yeah, that's what we have. I'm just cutting out the pellon to match up with my fabric piece. 2 pieces of pellon, 2 pieces of fabric, and 2 pieces of Cheeto pack, and 2 pieces of plastic, 1 piece of fabric for the packet. And I'm just taking a bite of my Cheetos. So we're ironing on the pellon on the fabric to make it a bit stiffer. And that's what it looked like after I'm finished ironing on. I'm gonna work on my pocket piece first. I'm gonna put the zip in, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm just marking a line to cut where I'm gonna put the zip in. So we're not cutting straight to the end because we need to put the zip in the center of this pocket. So that's where we're gonna stop cutting. Don't cut through that line. We're making a V in the corner of the line so we can have a clean edge for our zip. So that's me. I'm just cutting through the zip, through the V for the zip. So I'm gonna pin the zip in place so it'll be easy for me to sew. And you can also do this on hand with some needle and thread. It'll just take a bit longer, but you can do that. So I'm just gonna pin it all the way around. So I'm gonna try and put the end properly, like how I want it to be. It's a bit tricky, but just look and you'll see what I'm doing. So you flip that piece up so it'll be clean on the outside. So I'm just pinning it in, so that's what it should look like. And then I'm just gonna finish pinning it all the way around. So that's what it's looked like after I finish pinning the zip in. So we're gonna stitch that through. So you're gonna need a zipper foot for this part. And I finish sewing it in. So our packet piece is basically finished. I'm gonna put it aside. So I'm gonna sandwich my back together with the zip. So we start working on the main part of this project. So you wanna turn the zip where the opening of the zip is gonna be on the outside. You're gonna put that part facing the Cheetos pack, and the inner part of the zip that's going to be in the bag, you're going to put that facing your lining. So that's how it should look, and just look at what I'm doing, and that's what you're going to do. So sandwich it together Just stitch that quick, and then I'm back. So that what you should have, that's what it should look like after you stitch it together. So I finished stitching both sides. That's why we need a tissue paper. So I'm gonna insert my packet piece. It's very easy, it's not hard. So you're gonna put your packet piece on one side of the fabric. I use a straight stitch first, and then I go over it with a zigzag stitch. So that's what your zip look like. And your packet is in and ready to use. So your bag is almost finished. So now we're gonna stitch all the way around this pouch. But before you do that, you leave a space where you're gonna flip your bag inside out. So I put 2 bobby pins so I won't stitch past these bobby pins. That's where I'm gonna pull the bag out and reveal the beauty of it. So I cut my plastic or my PVC. I cut it bigger than my bag just because I don't want to miss any piece of it. So I finished stitching it all the way around. Just gonna snip off all the ends, flipping my bag over. So this is what you should have. And now we're gonna just close that gap. Our bag is complete. So our bag is complete and